Good afternoon. Today's topic is going to be water. Anyone who has a garden needs water, and your water source could be city water. You might be getting your water from a lake. I'm getting my water from a well pump, and you can see my well pump here. And you can see it's covered with a stainless steel top, and I've painted it white to reflect the sun to help keep the pump pumping as long as possible. Anyway, a little friend has crawled up the hill this morning. You can see that little turtle, and he is trying to find his way back to the pond across the street. But back to the well. Just wanted to show you this because this is where I get my water. It is the afternoon. It's right about 85 degrees. It's supposed to be in the 90s today, so it's supposed to be sunny most of the day. Here is the path that the water line takes. It goes down this hill, and it goes all the way to that fence. Before I head over to the fence where the water line runs, I wanted to stop here near the front of the house and show you this rain spout. And you can see I've put an elbow fitting on the rain spout so that the rain on the roof comes down and fills this white plastic trash can, and it holds quite a lot of water. The water that I just showed you is used to water this lemon cucumber plant, and there you can see a nice lemon cucumber ripening. The water in that trash can is used to water this Better Boy seed from 2021 plant, and you can see quite a few tomatoes as well on this plant that is a Better Boy from 2022. The water in that trash can is also used to water the marigolds, which hopefully help keep the snakes away. And it also waters this plant that will soon have weeby little pumpkins on it. And here is some Zeneca squash. The Rose of Sharon are blooming right next to the fence that I showed you that leads up to the well pump. And that pump line runs all the way down the hill and runs underground here and runs all the way over to a hole where I'm fixing the water line. Here's an option for watering all the things that I've shown you plus the rest of my garden. You can see there's a sump pump down in this little small lake here that was created by the leak in the water line, and this sump pump goes all the way up. You can see the hose goes all the way up and is able to water all of my garden on this side of the house. I'm going to plug in the sump pump and then show you how I water my garden. My little hole over there with the well pump in it has quite a bit of water in it. You can see here I'm watering the marigolds along with a tomato plant that's climbing up a bamboo trellis. You can see I have some basil in this 10-gallon grow bag where I have some Better Boy 22s growing, and you can see there's several really nice ones on this plant. And here I have garden peach tomatoes. There are 4 plants in here, and they're all doing well. I'll finish up today with my hose filling up this plastic pail, and that water will be used for these tomato plants in my garden in the woods.